They told you life would go back to normal. They lied. The streets are empty now, except for the dead. Rotting bodies swell in the heat. Fires burn without anyone to put them out. The stench of decay hangs in the air like a curse you can taste. Banks are gone. Your money? Worthless. Every screen flashes the same message. Verify your identity to receive access. You know what it means. The mark. No mark, no food, no medicine, no survival. You see the lines of people at biometric checkpoints, scanning their hands and foreheads under the watch of armed soldiers. Those who refuse are dragged away, and they never come back. The promise of global peace lasted weeks. Then the purges began. Broadcasts call followers of Christ the disease. Your face is on a list you can't see. At night, black armored units storm homes without warning. Children are ripped from their parents. Those who resist are shot in the street. The air itself has turned against you. The sun scorches your skin until it blisters. Rivers run black, and the water burns your throat. Insects swarm in clouds, stinging until you collapse, but they don't kill you. They make you wish you could die. You scratch your own skin raw, trying to stop the pain. The ground won't stop shaking. Cities crumble in hours. Skyscrapers split and fall like paper towers. Refugee camps overflow, but there's no food there, only sickness. You see people eating weeds, dirt, even each other. Disease moves faster than fear. Open sores cover bodies. The smell of infection is everywhere. Hospitals are abandoned shells, their beds filled with the dead, and medicine is locked away for the elite, guarded by drones that fire without warning. On one street, you see it all at once. Soldiers executing a kneeling man for refusing the mark, a mother screaming for her child as soldiers drag him away, a fire raging through the crowd, the ground splitting open beneath their feet, drones circling overhead, scanning every face. No one helps anyone. Survival has stripped humanity bare. The sky darkens without warning. Hail the size of fists slams into rooftops and skulls alike. Lightning splits the sky as meteors streak toward the ground. Somewhere deep in the clouds, a trumpet-like blast shakes the air, and the people who hear it scream in terror. Every nation is in ruins. Every border is meaningless. The entire planet is one prison under one ruler. And if you don't bow to him, you're already marked for death. This is not chaos that comes and goes. This is the new normal, a world where breathing costs you everything, and worshiping Christ costs you your life. This is the tribulation, and this is only the beginning.